Bangladesh's interim government has said that it would seek to scrap some uneven agreements on borders with India. France has rolled out the first Rafale F4 for the United Arab Emirates, marking a major milestone in the country's 80 fighter jets acquisition. The Chinese Coast Guard has deployed a long-range acoustic device to target Philippine vessels in the West Philippine Sea. Boeing has delivered the first batch of Apache helicopters to Morocco's Royal Air Force, under a contract for 24 units signed in June 2024. The CISF will raise its first Female Reserve Battalion comprising 1,025 personnel in Haryana. Safran is looking to move some of its European manufacturing of rocket and space components to India. Hyderabad-based Redon Systems is developing indigenous pneumatic launchers, which can launch 18 loitering munitions in quick succession. Adani Defense has announced that the Gaurav long-range glide bomber has now entered the low-rate initial production phase. Garden Reach Shipbuilders has signed an MOU with Hyderabad-based Apollo Microsystem for joint research development and co-production of underwater weapons and vehicles, underwater communication systems and air defense systems. Kochi-based SFO Technologies Private Limited has emerged as the lowest bidder for the development of indigenous 5 kW continuous wave fiber laser for the DRDO. The DRDO has started work on Rudram-4 new long-range standoff weapon. The Andhra Pradesh government has proposed Duggirajapatnam in the Nellore district as a site for developing a new shipbuilding and port cluster. A defense delegation from Indonesia will visit New Delhi soon to strategize on the remaining details of the BrahMos missile procurement process. While the F-35 and F-16 flight demonstrations have been struck off as cancelled at the Aero India 2025, Indian officials have said that while the F-35 might not take to the sky, it will be part of the static display, while on the other hand, the Russian Su-57 fifth-generation fighters will perform maneuvers during the Aero India. Developers at the Aeronautical Development Agency have said that the AMCA program is progressing towards its goal of rolling out the first prototype by the end of 2026, and a public-private sector joint venture will spearhead the production. They also said that they are not only focusing on building a state-of-the-art 5.5 generation fighter jet with stealth capabilities, sensor fusion and superior avionics, but also ensuring that the AMCA remains affordable for the Indian Air Force and appealing to global markets. Prime Minister Modi-headed Cabinet Committee on Security has cleared 2 major deals worth around 10,200 crore rupees. That includes high-explosive pre-fragmented rocket ammunition worth 5,700 crores and area denial munitions for 4,500 crore rupees, which will cater for the 10 Pinaka regiments already ordered by the Indian Army. The 2 types of ammunition will be produced by Solar Industries and Munitions India Limited in a 60-40 ratio. The DRDO has formally requested the Indian Navy to transfer one of its aging Kilo-class submarines to utilize the vessel as a testbed for new technologies under Project 76, which plans to introduce 12 indigenous next-generation submarines. The DRDO wants to equip it with their independent propulsion system, lithium-ion batteries, indigenous weapon control systems, advanced sensor and communication suites and electric propulsion motor. Today's top 3 comments.